breed color bred to color bred in order to get this beautiful coat just dusted in the black. So it's like a white cat. They have a tendency to be smaller, and they have a little bit of difference in the head in that you give them a little bit more allowance for the nose. Why is that? No other Persian has those great big green eyes outlined in the black mascara. You're going to lose the mascara if you breed to other colors. You'll also notice that they have a brick nose outlined in black. You are going to lose that brick nose and that black if you start mixing the other colors in. So you're going to lose the head, the eyes, you're going to lose the coloring of the cat, and so they go color bred. And because they have been doing this for years and years and years, it is almost like a different style of Persian. And I have no problem with that because I've been around long enough to know why it is they are the way they are. You give them the allowance, and then when you see a beautiful girl like this, beautifully bred, the eyes, the mascara, the ears, the magnificent color. She's cobby, she's round, she's typey. Today she is my best Persian and my 10th best all breed cat.